pretty good. I like it. I'm happy. Moving on. All right, so the next thing I'm going to focus on is that problem about drainage. So what we're going to do is we're going to seam seal the inside the cavities and then do some spraying with rattle can. All right, those two sides are done, so let's do this other area. Up here underneath the cowl, I think it is, and where the windshield wiper motor is and all that, you have this big cavity that just, the water's just going to come in here and just flow down. So what I'm going to do is, as you're looking down the corridor to the left, on the bottom, I'm going to put seam sealer so it just slides right down that, instead of maybe soaking in and rusting. But let me get started on that. All right, seam sealing's complete, and what I did is I seam sealed the interior, as you can see. But these are the critical areas right here and here. Seem to be rusting a lot. So that's all seam sealed up, so all the water should flow down. And as you go along in the cavity and underneath the cowl, seam sealed in here against this wall, all the way across. So when the water hits it, it should slide down or not, you know, creating more rust. And then it'll go into this cavity and out the bottom. And a cavity right here and right there. So what I'm going to do now is what I used. This is what I used. I got over at O'Reilly's, just a seam sealer. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to two-part epoxy in the interior. So basically I had to get my hand in there with the sprayer. So that's when I went to rattle can. I got this from Eastwood. These worked out pretty well. You take that red cap, charge it by putting the red cap on there, and it mixes the material, shake it up, and spray it on. It works out pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Show you what I did. This is the driver's side. It looks a little runny, but that's all right. Spraying all over the place. And then inside there, yeah, looks terrible, but it'll work. And again, I spray painted inside all the way across as much as I could, and then down in here, which came out pretty good. Look up there, yeah, it's kind of hard to get the rattle can in there. Anyways, if you ever use this stuff, it's not that bad. It's a little runny compared to what I'm used to. I don't know where the can is right now, but this is what I use in my spray gun. My spray gun special from Harbor Freight. It's a 1-for-1, and it comes out really good. I mean, you're looking at it right now. I think it's way better than this, but this is good for small areas and areas you can't reach the spray gun in. So anyways, that's it for now. I'll see you next time on another part of the Camaro, hopefully soon. Have a good one.